Hey y'all, it's Tammy and Chris with Collard Valley Cooks. Today we're doing a 5-minute pie. My mama's lemon icebox pie. What's not to love about good old lemon icebox pie? Alright, this is super fast. So since it's so fast, cut you a little slice of lemon to decorate the top of the pie with, because it only takes a second to make the top of the pie pretty. And now we're gonna finish juicing our lemons. So you're gonna need a 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. And I usually use a little strainer, and that way the seeds will be caught in it. And it's up to you how much lemon juice you want to use in your pie, but I prefer for it to be pretty lemony. And we're right at a 1/2 cup. Okay, watch how fast this goes together. Super simple. You're gonna use 2 cans of Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. And of course you can buy a different brand, but this is our favorite. Two cans. Stuff is some good stuff. All right, you're gonna put in your lemon juice. And Mama always used egg yolks, and I do too. And you're gonna use 3 egg yolks. Now these, some people say they get cooked by the juice, the acid in the lemons. But if you're a little leery about the eggs, they help the pie set up. So if you're a little leery about them, you can bake your pie in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So you don't have to worry about that, but we just eat it. So now we're gonna mix this up. You want to do a good job mixing it so that you get all those eggs in there and blended well with the lemon juice, because they want to sit on the top at first. This pie can be made in 5 minutes, y'all. It is a great pie to make this time of year for Easter. All right, we're going to put this in our pie crust. Okay, just a tip. This pie will set up, but it's not gonna set up like a lemon meringue pie. So the consistency is gonna be a little different. So remember that when you're slicing into this pie. But what matters is how good it tastes and that it's just like Mama made. We're gonna take this lemon and cut from the center to the edge and break the skin. And we're gonna curl it like this and put it on top of our pie. And I'm also, you can top this pie with Cool Whip or whipping cream if you want to. We don't, we just eat it just like this. I'm gonna zest just a little bit of lemon and let it sprinkle on the top of the pie. If you tap your little zester, you'll get a little bit more zest on there. And I was going to tell you, when you're zesting your lemon, make sure you just get the very outer surface of the lemon and don't get down into the white pulp, or it will be bitter. That's all there is to it. Making a pie just like Mama's. Lemon icebox. We're going to put this in the refrigerator. In just a few minutes, in about an hour or 2, I'm going to slice a piece and let you see how it looks. And of course, I'm gonna give it a try. But I know it's good because it's my mama's recipe. We'll see y'all in a few minutes.
Girls, happy? Happy? You see me? Happy?
She's watching her mama.
Soda? Thank you.
Oh.
That's what she was waiting on, wasn't it?
What, me to drop something?
Yeah.
All right, it is time to slice up this delicious pie. And I got me some Cool Whip, and so we're going to just put a little Cool Whip on it. This only takes a second too. Set up. It's been in the refrigerator now for about 4 hours. All right, let's give it a try, y'all. So they are a little droopy looking, and that's fine. Because there's nothing going to be droopy looking about whoever's eating it. Yummy. Just like Mama's. Absolutely delicious. Woo! That's some good stuff, and it's so simple, y'all. Thanks so much for watching Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did. Bye, y'all. We'll see you next time. Love ya.